IoTTime. Hello folks, I am Ken Briota, Editorial Director for IoT Evolution World, and we are here on IoTTime. Welcome. Up first, the news. CTIA is underway out in Las Vegas, and there's a lot of IoT news coming out of it, so we're going to run through some of it really quickly here. Altair Semiconductor announced a strategic initiative with Verizon to accelerate a new LTE-based commercial IoT based on a 12 PSM functionality that gives you a 10-year battery life on LTE connectivity, which is pretty impressive for any cellular device. AT&T has launched a dozen new things at CTIA, including a dedicated smart cities initiative, similar to its existing smart transportation initiative, designed to work with municipalities to manage energy meters, city lights, water systems, and more. As part of the transportation plan, AT&T and Jaguar Land Rover North America are working together for AT&T to connect all future Jaguar and Land Rover vehicles to the IoT, multi-year agreement there. Let's see, Stanley Steamer is going to use AT&T IoT technology to bring touch-based mobile apps to its field technicians. And Door King, which is a manufacturer for the access control industry, uses AT&T Control Center, global SIM and connectivity to introduce a wireless gate entry system. Leaving CTIA aside for our last bit of news, Cubic Telecom announced that it will team up with HP to power connected car experiences for an epic Cape-to-Cape Race, which is going to run from Cape Horn to the Cape of Norway. That's 11,800 miles. This particular driver has done this before. He's trying to beat his record. And HP has contracted with Cubic to hook that car up to the IoT using their proprietary technology. Which brings me to MyIoT. I want to talk a little bit about Cubic's technology. I just got off the phone with their CEO a little while ago, and he told me a little bit about the way their tech works. It's really cool. What it does is, well, normally when you travel from country to country and region to region, you have to either get a new SIM card for your cellular device or have international roaming or figure out a way to transfer signals that are no longer local to your device. It's very expensive, very difficult, and you always end up being much, much slower. What Cubic has done instead is create a platform that allows one SIM card to interface through a platform to essentially any cellular provider. So as this car travels through 11,000 miles, about 19 countries, 20 some odd different cellular providers, coverage areas, it will automatically grab the new provider, send it through the platform, and use the same exact SIM card and all local connections for its cellular service, which will be sending back environmental information, driving telemetry, and a variety of other data back to HP and the driver's team for purposes of, intelligence gathering and big data. But it's very exciting tech, and I love the approach because it does not require global infrastructure. It just requires a universal translator, if you will. So watch out for this. Cubic is very cool. I will bring you updates on how he did on his epic drive when I find out the answer. In the meantime, that's all the time I have for today in IoT Time. Please find all these stories and more at IoTEvolutionWorld.com. Tweet me at Ken Briota or at IoT Evolution, and we will catch you next time. Thanks, folks. IoT Time.